In this video, I am going to show you how to retrieve deleted text messages on Android. First method is to check the archive and spam folder. Open the Google Messages app and tap the profile icon. Select Archived to view archived messages. Scroll through the archived messages and locate the one you want to recover. Long press on the message and then tap on the Unarchive icon to restore it. Additionally, check the spam and blocked sections to see if the messages are there. The second method is using Google Backups. Open Settings on your Android device and tap on General Management. Select Reset and then choose Factory Data Reset. Follow the prompts to reset your device, enter in your device password if prompted. After resetting, set up your phone and sign into your Google account. Open Settings again and tap on Accounts and Backup. Select Restore Data and choose relevant device from the list. And ensure Messages is selected for restoration, then tap on Restore. This method is set to do after you decide to reset your device and then retrieve the deleted messages. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.